The Fourth International Conference on Innovation in Learning, Instruction, and Teacher Education, ILITE 4, co-organized by Hanoi National University of Education and international partner universities, has successfully concluded with remarkable academic achievements. Under the theme Education 4.0 and Artificial Intelligence, Paving the Way for Future Learning, ILITE 4 served as a prestigious international forum, bringing together scholars, educators, and policymakers from around the world. Initiated by Hanoi National University of Education, HNUE, in 2019, the International Conference on Innovation in Learning, Instruction, and Teacher Education, ILITE, has been successfully establishing itself as a reputable international academic forum in the field of education and teacher education. ILITE 4 was co-organized in collaboration with the University of Bayreuth, Germany, Tunku Abdul Rahman University, UTAR, Malaysia, and De La Salle das Marinas University, Philippines. The conference received the generous support of the Vietnamese National Foundation for Science and Technology, Victoria Thong Long Education System, High School for Gifted Students, HNUE, EduSay Vietnam Education Service Joint Stock Company, University of Education Publishing House, and Center for Education and Digital Technology Development, EDC HNUE, HNUE Journal of Science, and Tan Ha Educational Equipment Company Limited. The conference welcomed hundreds of participants from around 11 countries and regions, featuring high-quality academic presentations in education, educational psychology, teacher education, digital learning, and artificial intelligence. ILITE 4 was honored to host world-renowned keynote speakers, including Professor Andrew J. Martin, Scientia Professor at the University of New South Wales, Australia, and Professor Kevin Keen Hua Chung from the Education University of Hong Kong, President of the Asian Literacy Association. The conference also features presentations by 4 keynote speakers, including Professor Dr. Nguyen Van Hien, Chairman of the University Council and Secretary of the Party Committee of Hanoi National University of Education, Gabriele Schruffer, University of Bayreuth, Germany, Professor Dr. Johnny Ching, President of De La Salle University, Das Marinas, Philippines, and a representative of the research group implementing the project Inclusive Use of Artificial Intelligence in Education in Vietnam from Ho Chi Minh City University of Education, Hanoi National University of Education, Vinh University, Vietnam National University, Hanoi, Birmingham City University, and Nottingham Trent University, UK. Their keynote addresses offered profound insights into emerging research trends in education and educational psychology, the transformative role of artificial intelligence in teaching and learning, and inclusive education in the era of digital transformation. In addition to plenary sessions, ILITE 4 featured in-depth 12 parallel sessions on focus on the following issues: Education 4.0, Artificial Intelligence, AI, and Emerging Technologies in Contemporary Education, Digital Transformation in Education, Technology in Enhancing STEM Education, Teacher Training and Adaptation Requirements, Artificial Intelligence for Inclusive Education, Sustainable Development and Lifelong Learning, Education Policy and Governance in the Era of Artificial Intelligence, scientific poster presentations, workshops on research ethics in educational sciences, and public lecture delivered by Scientia Professor Andrew J. Martin from University of New South Wales, Australia. The conference went beyond academic presentations, serving as a vibrant platform for scholarly dialogue, research networking, and cross-border collaboration in education. The discussions at the conference contributed to shaping new perspectives on teacher education, Education 4.0, and the sustainable development of future learning systems. ILITE 4 reaffirmed Hanoi National University of Education's role as a dynamic academic hub, actively engaged in international integration and educational innovation. The organizing committee sincerely thanks all scholars, reviewers, keynote speakers, and international delegates for their invaluable contributions to the success of ILITE 4. As ILITE 4 comes to a close, it leaves behind not only new ideas and meaningful connections, but a shared vision for the future. Education must go beyond adapting to change. It must lead the way in shaping the future of learning. We look forward to welcoming you again at the 5th ILITE Conference in 2027. ILITE Conference, where knowledge inspires innovation, collaboration bridges borders, and together we imagine the future of education.